Former Member of Parliament for Western St. Mary, JOLYAN Silvera, was preparing for a party yesterday evening for an aunt of his deceased wife when investigators showed up to detain him. It is understood that the party was cancelled as the former MP, who is now a suspect in his wife's murder, was taken to the office of the Jamaica Constabulary Force's Major Investigation Division under flashing siren lights sometime after 5 p.m. Investigators say they have made a major breakthrough in the murder of 42-year-old Melissa, the mother of the former MP's 3 boys. Head of the JCF's crime portfolio, Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitzbailey, said the police have sufficient evidence to mount a viable prosecution against the former People's National Party representative. This after intense weeks of investigation into Melissa's cause of death and following a ruling from the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions. Melissa was laid to rest last Friday at the St. Andrew Parish Church. Last evening, JOLYAN was seated in the conference room at MID for a little over 2 hours, waiting on his attorney, Peter Champagny KC, to arrive for his 3rd round of questioning. He was questioned on 2 occasions last year. It is believed that Champagny was livid when he arrived at MID last night.
I will tell you that the investigations are continuing. It would be foolhardy of me to comment beyond that. There will be, as I said, other aspects of the investigations to be pursued. And beyond that, I have no comment. He will be with the police until tomorrow, and then we see what happens from there. Okay? But beyond that, I have no comment.
Reports are that Silvera had been asked to present himself at MID by 9 a.m. yesterday. However, an 11th hour call from his attorney to facilitate the process was stood down. He requested that Mr. Silvera present himself on Friday at 9 a.m. instead. However, the police took the position that they would go for him, a source close to the investigation said, sharing that the police made their move at the occasion celebrating his deceased wife's aunt. The would-be party was being held at the house where Melissa took her last breath. We were getting ready to go to the party, and someone told us to put it off because they came for Joe, a family friend said. Initial reports were that Melissa died in her sleep on November 10 of natural causes, a month shy of her 8th wedding anniversary. An autopsy performed 3 weeks after her death unearthed at least 3 bullet fragments in her body. This prompted the police to launch a murder investigation. Silvera's licensed firearm was seized for ballistic testing. Everything scrubbed out. He even wiped her computer and is hiding her phone, claimed a source close to the investigation. The source said that investigators revisited an individual who assisted with cleaning up activities at the Diamond Court apartment on January 14 and took further statements. Information also indicate that the police sergeant who attended the scene first by himself has been transferred from the Stone Hill police station. He reportedly drove his personal car to the crime scene.